Ready, start. The object of the contract is to protect the insured against loss occasioned by fire. The fire must be accidental. The dictionary meaning of the expression single inverted comma accidental single inverted comma close is a single inverted comma happening occurring unexpectedly or by chance single inverted comma close. Consequently, damage from or deliberately set fire will not be covered. To carry out the investigation, therefore, beyond the cause of the loss and to cast upon the insured the burden of establishing that the cause of the fire itself was covered by his contract would largely defeat this object. The cause of fire, however, becomes material where the circumstances of the case are open to suspicion and seem to indicate that it would be contrary to the principle of good faith inherent in the contract to permit the insured to recover. Accordingly, the cause of fire becomes material in cases where the fire is occasioned not by negligence but by the willful act of insured himself or of someone acting with his privity or consent. His conduct, coupled with the making of a claim, is a fraud upon the insurers and he cannot enforce his claim against them. This court in New India Assurance Company Limited and others versus Mudit Roadways within bracket 2024 bracket close 3 SCC 193 has held single inverted comma the precise cause of a fire whether attributed to a short circuit or any alternative factor remains immaterial provided the claimant is not the instigator of the fire single inverted comma close. The said judgment categorically holds that the precise cause of fire is immaterial provided the insured is not the instigator of the fire. This judgment underscores the importance of insurer's duty to act in good faith and honor its commitment to the insured. Consequently, this court is of the opinion that once it is established that the loss is due to fire and there is no allegation slash finding of fraud or that the insured is the instigator of the fire, the cause of fire is immaterial and it will have to be assumed and presumed that the fire is accidental and falls within the ambit and scope of fire policy. In the present case, actual fire damage is proved by police investigation report based on complaint dated 25th September 2010. Preliminary surveyors report, photographs of fire claim form, and reports of Messrs. Aura Architects and Designers and Tarun Gandhi and Company Chartered Accountants. The final surveyor's conclusion that the fire is not accidental is not correct, as there is no reasoning in the final surveyor's report as to why the fire is not accidental. This court is of the view that the final surveyor's report has only found that electric short circuit is not the sole source and that there were three independent sources slash sheets slash pools of fire. But the said finding cannot lead to the conclusion that the fire in question is not accidental. This is more so when the final surveyor in its report has neither concluded that the incident of fire falls within the exception slash exclusion clause of the fire policies nor fraud, negligence or intentional damage by the insured.